Google just dropped the biggest Gemini update of the year, and 99% of people are sleeping on it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the new personal intelligence feature can turn your inbox and YouTube history into a money-making machine. I am talking about AI that actually understands your business, remembers your clients, and builds proposals while you sleep. Plus, the new video generation and image editing features that can help you create content clients will actually pay for. This is not hype, this is not theory. These are real tools rolling out right now that can help you build actual service-based businesses. And if you stick around, I will show you the hidden features that most people will never find that can save you 10 to 20 hours every single week. Hey there, so if you are new here, I am Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I am here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you are serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link is in the description. All right, now let us get into it. Google just launched personal intelligence for Gemini, and it is the closest thing we have ever had to a real AI assistant that actually knows you. This connects directly to your Gmail, Google Photos, YouTube history, and search. It understands your business, remembers your clients, and knows your style. Think about what this means. You can ask Gemini to find that proposal you sent 6 months ago. You can have it analyze every invoice in your Gmail and tell you which clients are most profitable. You can make it study your successful content and create strategies based on what actually worked. This is live right now for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the United States. The privacy setup is smart. Everything is off by default. You choose which apps connect and can turn it off anytime. Google is not training their models on your actual Gmail or photos. They train on patterns, not your private data. Here is a real example. You run a marketing agency and need a case study. Instead of digging through hundreds of emails, you ask Gemini, show me all communication with client X from the past 3 months. Summarize the results. Pull invoice amounts. Find the testimonial. Done in 30 seconds instead of 30 minutes. That time savings can double your capacity. Gmail just entered the Gemini era. The new AI Overviews feature can summarize entire email threads in seconds. Those nightmare conversations with 47 replies? Gemini reads everything and gives you the key points instantly. But here is the moneymaker. You can now ask your inbox real questions, not keyword searches, like, show me every invoice under $500 last month, or who quoted me on that web design project in March. The AI understands context and knows what you are asking for. This runs on Gemini 3. The reasoning is way better. It handles complex queries across text, images, even video. For anyone building an AI services business, you can manage way more clients without drowning in email. The AI inbox feature prioritizes what matters. Bills due tomorrow, important client requests. The noise gets filtered out automatically. I almost quit more than once. There were plenty of times I thought about quitting. It did not feel clear or easy back then, but tools like this save hours every single week. Google quietly upgraded the Gemini API with features that let developers build real agent-style applications. File size limits jumped from 20 megabytes to 100 megabytes. You can now send cloud storage buckets and signed URLs. This means processing entire client folders in one shot. The multi-tool calls feature is the big one. One API request can now reason, execute code, search Google, and return a complete result. That is real agent behavior. Before, you had to chain multiple API calls and hope nothing broke. Now it is built in with Gemini 2.0 Flash. For developers, this opens up real business opportunities. Build custom automation tools for local businesses. A real estate agent might need an AI that pulls property data, generates marketing copy, creates social posts, and schedules everything automatically. That used to need 3 different services. Now it is one integrated system. The lifecycle management they added is smart. Models like Gemini Pro latest automatically point to the newest versions. Your applications stay updated without touching code. Huge for anyone building client services. If you are finding this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every single comment on these videos, so drop your thoughts below. And listen, even though Gemini is powerful, if you are really serious about scaling an AI business, you need the right tools. My 4-part AI fast-track training is free right now. I break down my favorite AI tools that I actually use to make money and save time. Plus, I include an exclusive link to try the best AI software I use to run my entire business for 30 days free. That is in the description. Video content is eating the internet. Every platform from YouTube to Instagram to TikTok prioritizes video. But creating videos has been expensive and time-consuming. Professional cameras, editing software, hours of rendering. Gemini changed that with Veo 3.1. You can now turn photos into 8-second videos with synchronized sound. Inside the app, no third-party tools. Think about the applications. Product demos showing your work. Before and after transformations for clients, social media content for businesses. Upload a photo of a living room, describe the transformation with new furniture and better lighting, and Veo generates a professional video. That is content you can sell to interior designers, real estate agents, and home improvement companies. The model supports native vertical video now. 9:16 aspect ratio for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can upscale to 1080p or 4K resolution for serious production work. Character consistency is way better. Maintain the same person or product across multiple generations. That matters for brand campaigns and consistent storytelling. The pricing is reasonable, about 40 tokens per image on most platforms. If you create content for clients, charge $50 to $100 per video while your cost is under $1. The margins work if you position it right. Image generation has been around, but image editing has always been terrible. You generate something close but not quite right, and you are stuck starting over. Gemini 2.5. Flash image, everyone calls it Nano Banana, fixes this with conversational editing. Upload an image and tell it what to change. Remove that object, change the background, make this person smile, adjust the lighting. It understands natural language and makes precise edits. Multi-turn conversations let you refine until it is perfect. Character consistency is the killer feature. Maintain the same person, product, or style across multiple images. Huge for brand work, marketing campaigns, and social media. Before this, every image was a random variation. Now you build on brand assets that actually match. Multi-image fusion takes elements from different photos and combines them. A product from one photo, background from another, lighting from a third. This used to require Photoshop skills. Now it is a text prompt. Deep research got upgraded with Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking. This is not basic search or simple web browsing. This is hours of research compressed into minutes. You give it a topic, and it plans the research approach, searches multiple sources across the web, analyzes the information critically, and creates a comprehensive report with citations. For content creators and consultants, this is gold. Research any topic deeply without spending your whole day. Competitive analysis for clients, market research for new niches, industry trends to stay ahead, client research before important sales calls. The AI does the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy. The visual reports feature makes this even better. Instead of plain text, you get charts, graphs, images, and structured data. Report quality content you can send directly to clients or use for your own strategy work. Professional deliverables without hiring a research team. The quality is impressive. It cites sources properly so you can verify information. It organizes logically with clear sections. It synthesizes information instead of just dumping search results. For consultants or strategy businesses, this tool alone can save 10 to 20 hours per week on research tasks. That time savings translates directly to more clients or better work quality. Let us get practical. Real service-based businesses you can build right now. No hype, no get-rich-quick schemes. First, content creation services. Local businesses need social media, blogs, and emails. They do not have time. Use Gemini for research, Nano Banana for images, Veo for videos. Create monthly packages. Charge $500 to $2,000 per month. Your cost is maybe $50 in API fees. 10 clients equals real money. Second, automation consulting. Small businesses drown in repetitive tasks. Build custom Gemini tools that automate processes. Charge for setup plus monthly maintenance. One client can pay $3,000 to $5,000 for the build. Monthly retainers keep cash flow steady. Third, AI-powered market research. Businesses need to understand markets, competitors, and customers. Use deep research for comprehensive reports. Charge per report or offer subscriptions. Big companies pay tens of thousands. You serve smaller businesses at lower prices with great margins. Fourth, personalized AI assistants. Doctors, lawyers, and real estate agents need help managing information. Set up personal intelligence, create workflows, train them. Charge for setup and ongoing support. High-value work because you save them hours weekly. Focus on services, not products. Do not build complicated SaaS. Help real businesses solve real problems. Start local. Get 3 to 5 clients. Prove value, then scale. Here is what 99% get wrong. They see new AI tools and think cool toy. They play for a few minutes and move on. They never think about using it to solve problems people will pay for. The opportunity is not being first to try Gemini. It is understanding what problems it solves and who needs them solved. Local businesses are drowning in work. They need help with content, customer communication, and data insights. They do not care about AI, they care about results. You position as the person who delivers results. You happen to use AI tools to do it faster and better. That is the business model. While everyone plays with tools, you build real client relationships and charge real money. Businesses winning with AI are not chasing the latest model. They solve real problems for real clients using whatever works. Gemini just gave you better tools. Now go use them. Make sure you grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I go deeper on landing higher paying AI subscription clients. Plus, you get a free 30-day trial of the best AI software I use to run my business and get clients. Join my free community with over 22,000 AI agency owners. We share what is working now, no fluff, just real strategies. Links in the description and pinned in the comments. The tools are here. The opportunity is massive. Most people will watch and do nothing, but you are different. Take action. Start with one service. Get one client. Prove it works. Scale. That is how successful businesses get built.